Nongelam ka UDP but umintri ka sorkar parim badik mi yakatna tourism ba Lyngdoh hakalai phoi trek naitung ula yang scam ban Kyrshan ya Shillong Ropeway project dakaba ong bakani ka project ka diga jingthmu ka ba mi na kipat ba nongshong shnong kabalai yo jingkershan na karai laban pelun bat UMLA ka than sanbor shlai bat kabala dap an yo jingbit badan kam ula ong baka project kan mentoi tang hinong wan jungo kai perthei Henry kan yarap ru ikinong rap ban penpai ki marap natrai sha Shlong pik tang hapot lai menen uba pol ula bu jingkeli halor ka jing persha ka bami kan san hadin ars nam shiteng ula ong menta ki beriu kan smooth ho hadin ars nam shiteng bakan ka project kalong ka basniu ngam tip satya ya ka daw bat ka jing machung kani ngam tip ru ka e ka jing thmu ka badan shadien jong ka ka jing persha.
Let us not forget that this project was also a major initiative and request made by number one, the Raj Laban Lun, which we believe combines is a conglomeration of all the Rashtrams of that area. One, two. The project was also proactively supported by the elected representative of that area, Sadbor Shulai. And three, uh, once work started on the ground, a lot of local masons, residents of Laos, for instance, were engaged in labor. Now, for somebody to suddenly realize after 2.5 years that this is bad, I don't understand the logic of it all. I do not know what is the agenda behind the opposition, but please rest assured that this is a project that is going to benefit not just tourists, not only facilitate a speedy movement of tourists, but also those farmers who will be able to ferry the produce in a record time of 3 minutes from the base to the top of the Shillong Peak. It is going to be the first of its kind in the country in a hill station, and the model adopted is also equivalent to what we have in the Alps in Switzerland. And if a project of that scale has had any negative effect on the Alps, we would have known by now. So you will always have critics, and the problem with a lot of people is that they first close their minds, and after that they open their mouths. You are talking of a number of how many people? Yesterday I watched the comments, and one local resident stated that I stay in this area and these monkeys have been pestering us for the past 15 years. So how do you put the blame on the ropeway project today? That the entire dossier of documents. Each document was then forwarded to the ministry, which is why it has finally received the stamp of approval of the Ministry of Forest and Environment. And it's not a matter of joke that a ministry of that caliber agreeing to the proposal and then inviting the first citizen of the country. Do you think the President of India would not have got everything cross checked so that her name will not be dragged into a controversy? How would she benefit if this project besmirches her name and her stature as President of India?